Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning while using the social media. How can we get help of social media to improve our English language and our fluency? I will talk about this in this video ahead, so please stay with me in this video till end, and I will share lot of informations and lot of suggestions for you to improve your English language. I think that learning any international language is necessary in present era, because you know that right now we are not limited to one area, because the social media has given us a lot of opportunities to explore the world. Right now through one click we can communicate throughout the world. We can know about the whole world, about all countries. There are, you know, that 195 countries on this planet, and each and every country has its own culture and religions, territory, and style of government. There are different kind of things. One country is different from other countries. Some countries are rich countries, they are developed countries, and some countries are poor countries, they are underdeveloped countries. And people where the underdeveloped countries, those people face a lot of problems while achieving any kind of things. And also in underdeveloped countries, people face problems while learning any international language. Because if you want to learn English language, and if you are living in the backward rural areas where there no facility of internet or cell phone is available, then I think you will face lot of problems while getting the information. Right now most of the government are providing facilities to their citizens, those especially who are living in rural areas, to get the communications facilities, and they are establishing some kinds of internet and cell phone services there in rural areas. Still some areas are available where there no facilities are available, and those people are facing lot of problems. Although they people have the talent to improve or to explore the new things, but when they will not get the beautiful platform, how it is possible for them to improve their skills. So I think where there this facilities is available of social media, you can get help of social media to improve your English language, because on social media there are different kind of platforms, applications. With the help of those applications you can improve your skills of learning English language. You can listen the podcasts in English language, and you can watch videos of your interest on YouTube, on other platforms of social media. In this way you can get a lot of help, and you can also make your friends on social media of other nationalities with whom you can chat in English language. In this way, when you will chat with each other, you will improve your English language. Then with the help of some spoken audio, such as you want to chat through WhatsApp, you can send your voice message to other person, and other person will send his voice message to you. In this way you will understand the accents of each others, because your accent is different, and if a person is living in other country, his accent will be different. And when you will listen the different kind of accents, then you will improve your English language. I think that if you are a beginner and you want to improve your English language, it is very necessary and it is very important for you to listen or watch the videos of your own English language speakers where there you are living, because you can easily understand whatever they are saying. Otherwise, if in the beginning you listen the podcast or radio programs or English language videos of other people's the accent you are not familiar, then you will face problems while understanding, then you will lack the devotion. And I will suggest you that first of all listen your own speakers of English language, those are present in your country, search them on social media and make contacts with them, and make friends of your own country, those know the English language, and communicate with them. Through this you will be able to understand the basic things of English language. When you feel that right now you are able to understand the basic things in good way, then jump towards the other nationalities and try to listen or watch the videos of other English language speakers. From them you will know the different kind of accents, and I think that accent doesn't matter, fluency some way matters, because if you speak in a fluent way, that your language is understandable. When you listen any person or watch the videos of any person and you understand those videos, then it's okay. Main motive is that make others people understand whatever you want to say. If your language is understandable, your words are clear, you are speaking in clear way, others are enjoying while watching your videos, then it's okay that your message is going to the world. Otherwise, when you try to imbibe the different kind of accents and there will be the mixtures of accents, and you will forget your own accent that you have. In this way that you will face a lot of other problems. So I think that adopt your own accent. What is your natural accent, or the accent which is famous in your country? In this way, I think that you will send your message to the world very easily. You will explore the new things and you will grow your talent throughout the world. I am speaking in my own natural accent. I am not making the styles, I am not copying any other accent. Although I can understand different kind of accent whenever I watch or listen the podcast, I can very easily understand the other accents, what they are saying. But whenever I speak the English language, I speak in my natural accent. Whatever the voice I have, whatever the style I have, I speak in my natural style, natural voice. And please give me suggestions below in comment box that whatever I am speaking, whether you are understanding or not, or any kind of problem which you are facing while understanding my speech, then please give your feedback below in comment box that where you are facing the problems, so that I will correct in my next videos. And this was my message of social media, that how you can get the help of social media to improve yourself, to improve your skills in English language, because social media has given wonderful opportunity to all people of the world to explore their talent. If you have the talent, no one can stop you from growing. If you don't have the talent, you will not even you have the platform, you will not grow, because for growing yourself, for improving yourself, for showing your talent to the world, your talent should be the firm, great. If you have the confidence, then I think that you can do a lot of things. And from when you are a beginner, you want to learn the things, first of all make yourself able to do the things for others people, then show yourself, do the struggle. I think that English learning requires a lot of time, not in a minimum period of time you will be able to improve this language. I think that if you are a beginner, then it requires time, and if you have some kind of knowledge previous, then it is easy for you. This will help you to grow, to go more toward the advanced level. And if you want to speak the advanced level English, then you will have to read a newspaper, you will have to improve your reading skills, improve your listening skills, then improve your speaking skills. Because you know that some people can read and understand, some people understand when they listen the videos of others, but they feel the problems when they try to speak the language, because they don't do the practice of speaking. For speaking, I think that practice is required. So do your practice with someone who know the English language better than you, and in this way he will correct you, and you will improve your English language, and you will get rid of the hesitation which you are facing while speaking the English language. When you will open your mouth to speak, then your hesitation will finish automatically. So do your practice and give your feedback below in comment box about your area, that from which area you are watching this video, so that we would come to know about your country. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel. Right now, allow me from this video. In next video, I will talk about some other subjects. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.